is we're going to do a little bit of simple math. So if we just have 2 plus 2, and we do that on a number line. So I'm at 0, and I go 2 plus 2. My answer is going to be 4. Now if I go by that same rationale, if I do something different, right, let's say we do 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2. Well, if I go from here, and I go from 0, 5, and I take away 1, 2, I get 3. So we're all good with that. But now number lines and integers run all, so basically integers are all positive and negative whole numbers, so not decimals, but all positive and negative whole numbers. So what if we have 1 minus 5? Well, we would start off from 0, and we'd go to 1, and then we would take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gives us our negative 4. Whenever we are adding a negative number is us saying we need to go to the left. So when we add a negative number, we are taking away an amount. So if we have 10, we are adding negative 4. Well, I have 10, and I'm adding negative 4. Negative 4 is taking away, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 plus negative 4 is going to give us positive 6. So the way this works is pretty straightforward. So let's say we're dealing with negative numbers. So let's say we have negative 10 plus negative 23 plus negative 21. Now our number line here isn't big enough to accommodate that, so we're just going to get rid of it. So we're going to make our own number line. So let's go and say, we take our pen, and this is 0, and we go negative 10. Okay, so we go negative 10. Okay, so let's say all this is negative 10. From here to here, this is negative 10. All right, so we have negative 10. We draw another number line. We have our 0. And we go negative 23. Well, negative 10, negative 20, let's say that this over here is negative 23. So from here to here, we're at negative 23. And then if we add one more number line, and we're at 0, and we go to negative 21, which let's say is here. So all this. So we have negative 10, negative 23, and negative 21. So all these are, if we have gone 10 negative, 23 negative, and 21 negative. If we take a very large number line, let's go and actually make a good line. Okay, so if we take a very large number line, and we decide that 0 is here, we can keep going. So let's say we have our 10 negative. So this is our 10 negative. We take our 23 negative, and then we add our 21 negative, on our number line. Basically what we're saying is all of 10 all of 10, all of 23, and all of 21 are negative. So if we go and say negative 10, negative 23, and negative 21, well, we go negative 10 and negative 23 and negative 21 all the way is going to give us negative 54. What number is going to be right here is actually going to be, when we add all these up together, so from 0 to negative 10 plus those other numbers, all the way across, what we're going to end up having here is negative 54. Now that's for adding negative numbers.